Hello there everyone, this is Timothy coming from ReplacementRemotes.com. Today I have with me the Anderic RC-651M remote control. That is a 100% direct replacement for the RC-651M that is no longer available. Now this remote control will program to many other devices and also will work for many other Onkyo receivers. Now as you can see, this remote control's layout is almost identical to the original, and it also supports all the same features and functions that the original remote had as well. If you would like to make the order for this, please give us a call at 336-924-8787 or make an order on our secured checkout website at ReplacementRemotes.com by clicking the link below and hitting the green Buy It Now button, and you can have the brand new Anderic RR682M remote control.
ReplacementRemotes.com, ReplacementRemotes.com. If you need a remote control, ReplacementRemotes.com.